Definitely into that. Oh, okay. I'm in trouble, you guys. Am I keeping the whole box? I don't know. Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. And let's not forget, a try-on haul. So if you like that kind of content, please stick around and see what I got in this box. So before I dive into this, I did get a pretty decent sized box. I can't remember if I filled out what I was looking for or not, and I know that I said that they could give me a new stylist if they wanted. I wasn't crazy about the last couple of boxes that I got. I haven't actually been too crazy about what I've been getting from Stitch Fix this year in general. I have liked some things from the shop tab, but a lot of the stuff that I've tried out, the sizing has been really off, and then I go back to exchange the sizes and it's not available. So I've only bought a couple of things from Stitch Fix this year, mostly sweaters, and I don't know, I just got a bunch of clothing for Christmas, and so I probably am not going to be getting anything from this box. But if something really strikes my fancy, then I may go ahead and snag it. I tend to really like quirky style and fashion, and when I first started Stitch Fix, I felt like they did like a really good job of kind of working with what they have, but within my style. And I feel like this year it's kind of tapered off a little bit, so we'll see what I get in here. The burrito is like the wrong direction, so I guess I'll just hold this up. So I do see some colors that I like. It does look like knits, things that I can wear right now. It is the very start of winter for us. It will be very cold until probably April is when I'll, late April is when I'll stop wearing sweaters and switch to light long sleeves. So still a lot of sweater weather left for me. Alright, oh yeah, I mean I do like this color scheme going on here. Definitely into that. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's just start at one end. Ooh! I know I said I wasn't going to keep anything, but I'm into this. These are joggers. They're like a teal faux corduroy, but they're like a velvet. And they are not, I don't think that they're by a super expensive brand. They're by 151, which I'm pretty sure is not. They're unlined, size large, and good. They have pockets. Okay, I do like these. I am excited to try these on. The fit could be horrible, so we'll see. But this is the type of loungewear stuff that I like to wear just around the house, and still feel like cute-ish. Cute-ish. Okay, next up, love this color. Wouldn't it be hilarious if I bought the whole box, because I was like, oh, I love everything. I don't need any more clothes. Market and Spruce. It is a size large. This is the Antoine Cotton Blend J Pocket Cardigan. What is a J Pocket? In burnt orange. Oh, it has, oh no. You guys, oh no. Okay. I love elbow patches. This has little Swedish elbow patches, and it has, oh, that's cool, these massive pockets. Pockets are a must-have for me. Okay, I like that. And it's like a textured knit with triangle, well, not triangle, diamond print. Okay, yeah, I mean, I like that. I like that too. Okay, next up, oh, this is so soft. What is this? I just bought a mustard sweater. I don't need this. I do like it. It is by Evolution by Cyrus. It is the Norda turtleneck plaid pullover in mustard, size large. Oh, that's really cute. Okay. I love this big like window pane type of print. It doesn't look like it's too fitted at the bottom, which I love. It's got the little like split hem, which will be really flattering, hopefully. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that on too. It does look a little fuzzy. Let's see if this has, I hate Angora. Let's see what's made of. Okay, it's all synthetic. Acrylic, nylon, polyester, spandex, so it's just made to look like Angora. This is not boding well for me. So what did you think of those 3 pieces? Did you like them on me? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. As always, I will wait to check out until you guys have given me your opinions. Let me know what you like. From the last Stitch Fix box, I did keep the mustard sweater, and I super love it. So pretty much everyone said that they liked that one, and so I trust you guys. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing is for me. Okay, next up, this is by the brand CC. CC is always like, I feel very expensive, kind of overpriced, but they do have cute stuff. Oh. So this is just like a black sweater, but the sleeves are sheer, but look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is... I'm in trouble, you guys. Alright, this is really cute. I really like this. Okay, what's this called? This is the Sandy Balloon Sleeve Pullover in black, size large. Now I'm curious to see whether I got the same stylist or not, because some of these things were things that I've been like requesting, like the joggers, but my old stylist said that they didn't have them at the time. Okay, this one I'm not so crazy about. This is it's like a Madewell cropped sweatery thing. It's Astoria turtleneck knit top, and it's got like this like a multicolored knit here. I don't know. I don't think that's going to be that cute on me, but we'll see, and then you can give me your opinion. Alright, so what's the verdict? What do you guys like? Am I keeping the whole box? I don't know. Okay, time to find out if it's the same stylist or not. I had Greer, then I had Amy, and this is someone named Christina, so I got a new stylist. Alright, happy fix day. Welcome to your 23rd fix. My name is Christina. I'm pleased to be styling you today. Welcome to Bright and Cozy. Since you love joggers and corduroy, how about combining these features with these cord joggers in a fun teal green? Wear these with the cropped turtleneck top from Madewell. I guess that could be cute. And your favorite sneakers for running errands. have on glitter sneakers today. Can you see that? They're like sparkly. They have like ribbons. Oh god, I'm not that flexible anymore. Anyway, I selected the plaid turtleneck for its bright mustard color and heavy weight to keep you warm during the chilly winter. I added the burnt orange cardigan for you to have a layering piece. Please leave me blah, blah, blah. Please leave me feedback when you check out on what you loved and what can be improved for your next fix. Enjoy, Christina. Well, I like that. She actually like went back and read the notes, so that's awesome. Now let's see what the damage is. Okay. Alright. So the Market & Spruce Cotton Blend J Pocket Cardigan with the elbow patches, that is $68. The Madewell Astoria Turtleneck Knit Top is $66. The Cord Joggers are $48. The Evolution by Cyrus Plaid Mustard Sweater is $68. And that CC sweater, guys, it's so expensive, $88. So if I bought everything, it would be, with the 25% discount, it would be $250, $350, which is like right on par. A friend recently used my code, thank you, and so I do have some credit coming my way, so that does help things a bit, but oh my god, no, I don't know what to do. So leave me your comments down below and help guide me on my Stitch Fix journey, because it was a really good box. Like, really good. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. I may not get a chance to do a February unboxing. My studio is about to go under construction, probably like late January, February, so I might not have like a place to film. We shall see, but either way, I will be back in March at least with another Stitch Fix unboxing, hopefully spring themed. If you like these videos, I would super appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I am trying to grow my subscriber base, and I would just love it. And if you know anyone that likes Stitch Fix, or you think might like Stitch Fix, do share my videos with them, and that would really make me happy too. And yeah, comments and likes are also really nice ways to let me know that you appreciate my Stitch Fix videos, and I put a lot of time into editing them and just kind of making them aesthetic, so hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, well, I will see you next time, and I hope you are having a much better 2021 than we had 2020, so see ya!